What going on, guys? Today's a very blue day. Say hello. Hi. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Shea Moisture's Manuka honey and yogurt line, and it's targeted towards extremely dry and brittle hair. I'm going to give you guys my first impression, and not only is it going to be my first impression, but it's going to be my first live impression. As a consumer, when you buy a product, you don't really care to try it again if you don't like it. First impressions matter, okay? I'm gonna tell you guys how I felt in that exact moment when I first tried the product. Let's get into this video. Let's get it. My hair is all dried out. Let's start off with the Hydrate Repair shampoo. Cleanse and restore extremely dry and brittle hair. Repairs by reducing breakage on heat style hair up to 76%. It claims to gently cleanse hair and strengthen strands from root to tip, replenish moisture to dry brittle strands while promoting a healthy shine. Leaves hair feeling more resilient. So it says apply to wet hair, so I just wet my hair, so that's good. Gently massage into a rich lather. So let's look at the texture. My bad, okay? Let's act like we didn't just see that. Take two. I already smelled that. That smells really strong. Perfume, that's what I smelled. Watery. Very runny and creamy. Ooh, and it has like a slight stickiness to it. So I usually start on my roots. Lathers pretty quickly because I just literally just laid that there. So when I shampoo, I usually just put it over my hair like that first. Then I'll divide my hair into sections. I'll deal with this later. Break this in half. Wet my hair again and then start applying the shampoo again. I'm not even squeezing the bottle. This is what it looks like. I like this texture actually. I just applied and it's already foaming up. Whoa, as I applied it, this goes on very moisturizing though. Wow, see how detangled this is when I pass my fingers through it? That's very good. This is very moisturizing, guys, like very moisturizing for a shampoo. This has shampoo in my hair and it just looked like applied conditioner. So the front of my hair is a different texture, so let's see if it's as moisturizing. And for a first impression, I really do like the shampoo. It's very gentle, as it says. Moisturizing. Do not get this in your eye. Very moisturizing. You saw that first hand. So I applied the shampoo all over my hair. Just gonna do a little bit of massaging until I wash it out. As you can see, I can pass my fingers through my hair and it's not feeling stripped. Time to wash it out. So this is what my hair looks like after I rinsed out the shampoo. It's very gentle on the hair, so I feel like this would be safe to use every week or as often as you want, because it doesn't feel stripping at all and my hair is still soft though too. So if you're looking for like a really tough cleanse, this would not be for you. It does what it says it's supposed to do, be very gentle. It's not that cleansing to me because I still kind of feel a little bit of residue. This is a shampoo that you would probably not use if you want to get your hair really clean. Honestly, I feel like you can use this every day if you're that type of person. This is gonna leave your hair cleansed, not too cleansed. You're gonna have a little moisture in it, not too stripped. Now let's try the conditioner. So it basically says the same thing as the shampoo. It's gonna soften, detangle, and infuse abused hair with intensive moisture, smooth, rough, dry cuticles, fights split ends, and restores vitality to dull, lackluster hair. Leaves hair feeling stronger and more resilient. Oh, wasn't expecting that to come out as fast as it did. You can see this is very thick. As it went on, I didn't feel like intensive moisture right away. I'm gonna section my hair and wet it again and apply it. Let's see how it applies on wet hair. Still feel the same way. It's not very moisturizing actually. Honestly feel like the shampoo is more moisturizing than the conditioner. What's going on? I guess the more I put, the more slip it has, but as my first use and first thought or first impression, it wasn't very moisturizing. Warming up to my hair, I guess. It's becoming more moisturizing the more I detangle, but still not that moisturizing. But it doesn't have like crazy slip. I have to use a substantial amount each use. Yeah guys, this isn't as moisturizing or doesn't have that much slip. It also feels like it's just sitting there, but let's check back this section. Still feels the same. Guys, I'm not really feeling the conditioner. Oh no, it's not making my hair the easiest thing to detangle, and I just feel like it's sitting there. You can see. Do you see that? I'm about to wash it out, but I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like with all the conditioner in it. So it wasn't the most moisturizing. However, my hair does feel strong. It doesn't feel as moisturized as it normally does from, you know, my usual conditioners. It felt like it didn't really do that much on my hair. The conditioner, it wasn't ultra hydrating for me at all. So now we have the Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. Strengthens and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. Smooths to naturally reinforce and revitalize abused hair fibers. Ultra moisturizing, fortifies weak strands, combating breakage and split ends to leave hair looking smooth and healthy. Leaves hair soft, supple, and irresistibly touchable. It says to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh, y'all, she is thick. Oh, well, damn. Okay, wow, mama, you thick. This actually comes out like a butter, very thick. Wow, guys, this is very thick. This is definitely a little bit more moisturizing than the conditioner. My hair is starting to dampen up, so I'm gonna wet my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is much more wet, it goes on pretty smooth and it's already starting to moisturize. So that's good. This is pretty moisturizing for thick butter like this. I was kind of scared for a bit because it's so thick, but she's good. She does soften up the hair. Much easier to apply on really wet hair. The top is a different texture, so let's see how it warms up. Goes on pretty moisturizing as well. Not the most moisturizing that I've ever used, but it's doing its thing. See how smooth it goes on? Just has to be warmed up to your hair because it's so thick. The more I use it, the more I realize that it's actually very moisturizing. So you just have to warm it up to your hair and smooth it in. As I stated before, it's much easier to apply on really wet hair. If you do this on dry hair, this is gonna be very hard. All the product has been distributed in my hair. This side, it has been done for a while, so it does feel like it's doing its thing. My hair is feeling very soft with it in. So I'm gonna leave this in for about 10 minutes. See you guys in 10 minutes. I'll see you just now, right now. I left it in for about 15 minutes, I would say the most. Feels really soft. I'm going to wash it out to see if the softness remains. My hair does feel very strong and soft, but I can tell that this did give me like a slight protein treatment kind of feel. My hair does feel resilient. That's one of the claims. Let me come closer for you guys. If you're looking for a slight protein treatment, that might be good for you to try. If you are looking for a deep conditioner that is going to give you protein, this your boy or girl, whatever you want to call him, her, it. You have to really work it in your hands first before you put it on your hair, because if you don't, it's gonna fall and create a big mess. So y'all, I totally forgot they had a leave-in conditioner in the line. Usually after I do my whole routine, I usually always use a leave-in conditioner. It comes in a spray form, so it's very watery. Let's see the texture as it sprays. Actually went on pretty moisturizing. Ooh. I usually just twist up my hair while I have in the leave-in conditioner in my hair. I do have to add a lot to give me a lot more slip. Detangling is easy with the product. So it is pretty moisturizing. This is doing its thing. Slip is good, moisture is good. I'm trying it on the kinkier part of my hair. Still pretty moisturizing. This side is done. My hair is all twisted up, fluffy, juicy, moisturized, pretty soft. I would say that the leave-in conditioner met all the claims. It did recondition, it did hydrate, it did make my hair easy to manage, was moisturizing. It didn't really wow me that much. It's just a really good leave-in conditioner. Probably because it doesn't compare to my favorites, but it's still good, but not the best that I have used. But overall, my favorite products in the line would have to be the shampoo and the deep conditioner. These two products I have reused, most likely will reuse them again. They just worked really bomb on my hair. These are the ones that I would recommend from my experience. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.